Welcome, class 6. Today we will learn firstly about reducing fractions to their lowest terms. So, this is the first topic that we'll learn today. So, reduce the given fractions to their lowest terms. 27 by 36 is the given fraction. We need to convert it into the lowest terms. So, 27 and 36 both can be cancelled by 3. So, 3 will cancel 27 9 times and 36 12 times. So 3 nines are 12 and 3 12s are 36. So we'll get 9 by 12. Now 9 and 12 both again can be cancelled by 3 again. So 3 will cancel 9 3 times. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So you'll get 3 by 4. So 27 by 36 gets reduced to 3 by 4, and 3 by 4 further cannot be reduced. So 3 by 4 is the lowest term. So which is the required answer. Next is 80 by 100. So 80 by 100 can be cancelled. 0 and 0 can be cancelled. So you can write 8 by 10. So after cancelling zeros, 8 and 10 both can be cancelled by 2. 2 can divide 8 4 times and 2 can divide 10 5 times. Again, further 4 and 5 cannot be reduced, cannot be cancelled by any of the term. So 4 by 5 remains as the lowest reduced term. Next is comparing fractions. So here the question is, which fraction is greater? So out of 5 by 8 and 7 by 9, which one is greater we have to find. So we always look at the denominators whenever you are comparing the fractions, which one is greater or smaller. So 8 and 9, the LCM of 8 and 9 is 72. So we will take the first fraction 5 by 8 and we'll multiply it with a number that will multiply and produce the denominator as the LCM is. That is equal to the LCM. So 8 multiplied with 9 gives us the LCM 72. 72 is the LCM of 8 and 9. So if multiplied with 9, it will produce the LCM 72. That means we'll multiply with the same number in the numerator as well. So 5 into 9 is 45 and 8 into 9 is 72. So 45 by 72 becomes 5 by 8, which is equivalent to this fraction. Similarly, 7 by 9, this fraction, now the denominator, if it is multiplied with 8, gives the LCM 72. So 8 multiplies with the denominator as well as the numerator. So 7 times 8 gives us 56 and 9 times 8 gives us 72. So here we can see that 45 by 72 is the fraction equivalent to 5 by 8 and 56 by 72 is the fraction which is equivalent to 7 by 9. So here we can compare the two fractions 45 by 72 and 56 by 72, and we can make out from the numerator, if the denominators are equal, then we can just simply compare the numerator, that this fraction is greater. So 56 by 72 is the fraction which is equivalent to 7 by 9. So 5 by 8 and 7 by 9, 7 by 9 is greater than 5 by 8. Similarly, if the question is which fraction is smaller, and if the fractions are given, then we'll check the denominators first. If the denominators are equal, then we can simply compare the numerator and we can just find out which one is greater or which one is smaller. So out here we will find the LCM of the two different denominators. So LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. So now, just like the previous one, we will multiply the denominator and multiply it with certain number that makes the denominator equal to the LCM. So we have the LCM is 10. So in order to make this 5 equal to 10, we have to multiply it with 2. So 5 into 2 gives us 10. So we'll multiply with the same number to the numerator as well. So 2 is multiplied with 4. 4 into 2 is 8 and 5 into 2 is 10. So 8 by 10 is the equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. Similarly, 7 by 10, since 10 itself is there in the denominator, which we need to convert this as, so over here 7 by 10 into 1 by 1. There is no need to convert, so we simply multiply it with 1, which is equal to 7 by 10 itself. So when you compare 8 by 10 and 7 by 10, obviously in the numerator itself we can make out that 8 by 10 is the fraction greater than 7 by 10. So 8 by 10 is equivalent to 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 7 by 10, which is the required answer.